If the needle is not in the center of the inside presser foot, let's remove the face plate. Release the screw and adjust the position of the presser bar. To make the needle in the center of the inside presser foot, then lock the screw after adjustment finished. Turn the hand wheel to make the thread take up lever to be at the highest position. Lift the presser foot and put a 2 mm hexagon wrench under the inside presser foot. Then lower the inside presser foot. Release this screw and then lock it. Now height of the inside presser foot has been adjusted well. Lift the presser foot. Turn the hand wheel to make the outside presser foot be closest to the inside presser foot. Checking the gap between the inside foot and outside presser foot. The gap should be about 1 to 2 mm. Release the screw and adjust the front and back position of out presser foot. Lock the screw after adjustment finished. Now let's check the presser foot running after adjustment finished.